Nightingale still with that bubbly, charismatic and amiable smile on her face, but it means she hasn't got something of worth to say. Let's hear what the TBS champion wants to say.